gonna add it to this side now. And I got one to the side, one on the other side, and this one will go in the back. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, and 3. Take it, pull it down, and I'm gonna make sure that that goes to the back. All right, I'm ready. It's that easy. I now simply hide my hair into the synthetic hair. So you just twist all the way down, and that's it. Then once you get it, this piece right here, you're gonna twist, twist, and you're gonna hide it inside of the ponytail. Okay, so this is what it looks like with everything kind of knotted up, so that this can blend really well. I am gonna use my bang, but what I did is I found an old closure. It's a really, as you see, it's so worn out. It's like worn out. I'm gonna do something creative, and what I wanted to do on purpose is find something where it was close to the synthetic hair. So I'm in some of my dark hair with something a little bit light. I just took the end of the closure, and what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you real closely, I'm gonna take a needle and a thread. I'm gonna put the clips. You can use combs, but I'm gonna use clips just for this one. I'm gonna actually take it this way, here. And be very careful with this lace. You have to be careful, you have to be careful because lace is so delicate. I'll go around just a couple times, maybe about 3 or 4 times. I'm gonna lock that, just like that. I'm also going to open it up, and I'm going to go down and around, and the thread is going in between each slot of the clip. Okay, so this is a quick way that I do bangs, using old closures so I can get all of my wear out of my closure. I'm going to bring it around, and I'm going to fold this part because I want to round that, and I'm going to stick it through that hole instead, the middle hole. And if you are a wig maker, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The reason why I want that crown rounded off, because when you flip it this way, it looks a lot more neater, and it's going to blend a lot better in your hair. And that's it, and that's gonna stay just like that. So again, I'm gonna do the other side. Hands off. You're gonna go in through the back way, so that knot is not in the front. This is in the back. And I don't know what happened to my nail. It seems like I broke my acrylic, so please excuse that part. But I'm gonna bring that in, just like that. Well, I'm gonna bring it up a little closer. And again, I'm going to go through the slots of the comb. Okay. And I'm going to go to the next one. And I'm almost going down at an angle. Okay. Try to stay neat. Keep it up as close as you can to the end. I'm almost done. About 1 or 2 more stitches and I'm all done. Okay, I'm at the end. I am now going to add my color bang. Just open up the clip, just like that. I'm going to slide it in, close it down, slide it in, close it down. The reason why I like using closure pieces, because there's no weft there. I mean, it's super duper ooper flat, no problems at all. So what I'm going to do, as you see, the colors now blend a little bit better. So I'm going to take this piece, comb it. I'm going to put a little bit of our crystal laminate on there so it can silk out really nice and pretty. Kind of in that back, I'm going to just tuck it till it hides away. And I'm going to put a bobby pin just to kind of hide it, okay? Because I'm looking for maintenance free. I'm not looking for really too much style. But this would be a great wedding style if you had a wedding coming up, if you were one of the bridesmaids. Great, great style. So I'm just gonna smooth this bang out like this. And I'm gonna bring this back around. And I want to bring this around so that you can see the color. I want to make sure that I have brown on top so that it can match. Okay, and I'm just going to make sure that that smooths out. I love the fact that, ladies, there's not a lot of chemicals in your hair. It's not a lot of product in your hair. So it really gives your hair a lot of great opportunity to really get healthy and heal. Believe it or not, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Anything else that you need, please, comments. I need your comments. I need your suggestions. I need your questions. And I need you to like this video and please subscribe. See you next time.